Right, so a quick August update on our wheat. As you can see, it's growing pretty good. However, we have encountered a slight problem in the form of bunnies. I mean, most of it is still looking good. However, look at all that. All the tops have just been munched off. Unfortunately, our neighbours are right there, so we actually can't. Unfortunately, we can't shoot them. So there's not a lot we can do. I mean, we could go to the extremes of fencing off the whole area to put them off a bit, but of course, bunnies will burrow. So, not sure there's a lot we can do. So at this point, we're just kind of crossing fingers that they don't damage too much of it. We're now into September. And look at this starting to, look at that, starting to look wheatish. Starting to get big. There's my hand for size comparison. There we go. That's looking awesome. So yeah, the bits that we've been trying to chase bunnies off, but yeah, those are the bits that the bunnies ate. On more than one occasion, I've come running out in my onesie and gumboots chasing bunnies off. But although they've certainly had a chomp at it, the majority of it is still okay. So, fingers crossed. So, it is now. Look at that. It is middle of October. And we're getting wheat. Look at that. Woohoo! Early November update. So, we're now in the middle of November. We're going to get the kids to do a walkthrough to demonstrate the height. Aston's nearly vanished. There we go. So we're gonna keep giving these a wee bit of water yet. And we'll probably, what do they reckon, January-ish?
January, yeah.
We'll just have to play it by ear.
Yeah.
See how we go, but we'll keep watering that for a bit. And yeah, we will keep you posted with the next video.